Road 4 in Lakeville, US 6 in La Paz, and 7th Road in Plymouth. But of course, before all this opens on Thursday, INDOT wants to remind drivers there will be some big changes to your regular route and to be prepared. Dick Sisti lives about a quarter-mile from US 31 and has been patiently watching crews make progress on the highway for the past 6 years.
I welcome it, and I'm amazed. It's been a really interesting process to watch all the machinery.
INDOT crews say the new stretch will make life easier for commuters driving to and from Plymouth or even as far south as Indianapolis. But more importantly, they say the new 31 is safer.
Anyone who's driven south in the South Bend area, just south of the bypass, there are plenty of turnoffs along there, people turning left, people turning right, and there's been several accidents over many, many years in that area.
One of the biggest changes coming Thursday is for those wanting to go south on the old US 31, you'll not have to get on the new 31 and exit onto Kern Road. That means Sisti and his neighbors will have to get onto the new highway if they want to get home. He says he's still not sure if this will change anything.
Remains to be seen.
You can't stop progress, you know.
James Ewing also lives nearby and says he's more or less unaffected by the new road.
It's just because that's the way things are going this day and age. They make changes and we have to live with it.
Live with it by planning out a few extra minutes in your normal routine until you get used to the new 31.
Changes are always difficult as folks get used to something new. So number one, just be aware, be alert, take it slow as you learn the new highway.
And INDOT crews also want to stress that even though it's opening this week, there's still a lot of work to be done on this stretch. There will be some restrictions in place until the end of the year at least. Now that 7th Road interchange in Plymouth, for example, is still under construction until at least December. And near the US 20 bypass in South Bend, that traffic will continue to be one lane in each direction. Now, the last piece of the puzzle is work on 31 north of Indy, but that isn't scheduled for completion until next year. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Annie Chang, WSBT Channel 22 News.
And Annie